Classic white French tips. 3 different methods so you can find the one that works best for you. One of these methods is so easy, most beginners can nail it on the first try, and it's probably not the one you'd expect. Let me show you. Once you've completed your nail prep, base coat and optional builder gel, you're ready to add nail art. Tap the information icon in the top right to watch our full application tutorial and see these steps in detail. For this design, I've used base coat and clear builder gel. I'm applying my favorite French tip base, French Kiss, over a clear base coat and clear builder gel. Cure each coat for 60 seconds. Before painting your French tip, wipe away the sticky inhibition layer using a lint-free wipe moistened with gel nail polish remover or a pure acetone wipe. First, the double-ended silicone nail stamper method. This is the easiest way for beginners to paint French tips, and once you try it, you might not go back. Paint whiteout in a smooth, even strip across the center of the nail stamper. At a 45-degree angle, press the tip of your nail into the nail stamper just below the strip of polish. Roll the nail stamper side to side to coat the entire tip, taking care not to go past the natural tip line, then slowly pull the nail stamper away, letting the polish dispense evenly. Use a round nail art brush or nail polish remover pen to clean up the smile line and remove any polish that may have transferred onto the skin. If needed, use a liner nail art brush dipped in the same shade to refine the edges. Next, the dotting method. Using your double-ended dotting tool or liner nail art brush, paint 3 dots where you want the bottom of your French tip to be. Connect the outer points to the inner point by painting a curve toward the center dot with your liner nail art brush. Then use your gel polish brush to fill in the tip and cap the free edge. Neaten the smile line using your liner brush with polish, or tidy any excess with a round nail art brush or nail polish remover pen before curing. Finally, the A-frame method. Using your liner nail art brush, paint a horizontal line where you want the bottom of your French tip to be. Start on the edge of your nail where you want your tip to begin and paint a line to the top of the center line. Soften the point where the lines meet to create a curved smile line. Use your gel polish brush to fill in the gaps and cap the free edge. Refine the smile line using your liner brush or tidy any excess with a round nail art brush or nail polish remover pen before curing. Once you're happy with your French tip, cure for 60 seconds. Apply a thin coat of top coat and cap the free edge. Cure for 60 seconds. That's your classic white French tip. 3 ways to get there. Try each method and find your favorite. Subscribe to keep up with our latest tutorials. See you next time.